Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm sharing a new nail polish of the week color. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. And of course, as usual, before we start any manicure, whether it's just a single color like I'm sharing in this particular video, or a very intricate nail art design, you want to go in with a base coat. And I'm going in with a base coat by Essence, and it is a quite new one. I think it's from their fall winter collection, and it is quite basic. I have to be honest, it is very affordable, but I do feel like that the entire base coat is quite simple on its own. It is made with a lot of natural ingredients, which is pretty nice if you ask me, and it is vegan and cruelty free as well, so that are a couple of very big plus points if you ask me. But yeah, just apply it as usual and just go in on the surface of the nail as well as capping off the edges to make sure to actually prevent any tip wear and chipping and stuff like that. But yeah, just a little side note, I actually found the footage of this video which I recorded. It was like the beginning of September. For some reason, I totally forgot that I recorded this nail polish of the week footage. And yeah, I really wanted to share this color with you guys because I'm such a big fan, and I've actually worn it in a couple of videos like some weeks ago as well, and I got a ton of questions about it. I have also shared it in my unboxing video of the new Catrice fall winter collection. So yeah, I really didn't want to skip this video, and yeah, my nails are a bit longer at the moment, of course, and I have an older design on my gel polish hand as well. So yeah, let's just ignore that and just enjoy this beautiful polish, because this one is by Catrice Cosmetics, of course, and it is called 100 Party Animal. It is such a beautiful metallic, like perfect rosy gold kind of like just metallic shimmery goodness. It is so stunning. It isn't like super rose gold-ish. I feel like it is a rose silver kind of metallic polish, because yeah, there is a lot of silver like shimmer in there and just metallic kind of parts, I'd say, that it makes it very cool toned and just really beautiful. If you are like me and you have kind of like a cooler skin undertone, a color like this will look beautiful on you. And I do think that this is one of those colors that a lot of different people can wear, because it has that cooler silver undertone but a little bit of warmth because of the rosy color in there as well. I just think it's a very beautiful color. It is gorgeous just as one shade for a simple manicure like I'm showing in this video, but it's definitely gorgeous to stamp with, like do stamping nail art or just nail art like little accents or effects with it. It is super beautiful. It applies very nicely as well. You only need like 2 thin coats or 1 thicker coat to make it completely opaque. As you can see here on this first coat that I'm applying, it is pretty much like 90% opaque already. It is very gorgeous. The only thing that I would like to mention is that there are a lot of like metallic pigments and just a whole lot of shimmer in there, that it can be a little bit streaky if you overwork it too much with the brush. So yeah, that's just a little heads up. It is super metallic-y. It is almost kind of like metallic-y foil like the entire finish is so shiny, so gorgeous. But if you've been using nail polishes like for a longer period of time like I do, and you've used a couple of different types of polishes and finishes, you know that metallic polishes like these tend to be a little streaky. So just try not to overwork it. And yeah, let's just enjoy this polish because it is so gorgeous. You guys know me, especially if you've been hanging out with me for a longer period of time, you know that I love pink nail polishes, and this is just gorgeous. It is super opaque, like just 2 thin coats and you're good to go. Like I think that if you have shorter nails than I actually had in this particular video while recording it, I think you can just put 1 coat on it and you'll be good to go. And yeah, because it is so packed with shimmer and just metalliciness, let's just put it at that. It dries pretty quickly as well, which is something that I definitely love, because nobody wants to spend like a couple of hours doing nothing with their hands just because the nail polishes won't dry. So yeah, I definitely love me a fast drying formula, and especially metallic polishes, they're just gorgeous. Once again, they're opaque, they're fast drying, you don't need much product, and yeah, the only thing is they can be a little streaky, but you know, that's something that you will learn if you are just starting doing your nails or even other people's nails. Just try it out and find your own way in it, build your skills, like I tend to say, and you know, making mistakes is human. Don't be scared to make mistakes, it is just nail polish. If you don't like the end result, you can just remove it, and so on. But yeah, back to the video, because I am going to apply a top coat, which is a gel-like top coat by Essence Cosmetics. Once again, this is just a regular nail polish top coat. You don't have to cure it or anything like that. It just has a gel-like finish. It is very confusing. Like, I get so many questions on a daily basis. Like, is this a gel top coat or gel polish that I have to cure? Blah, blah, blah. I get that question so often. One tip I would like to share, that if it is in a transparent bottle, so you can actually see the product through the bottle, it is a regular nail polish. You don't have to cure it, it will air dry. Once it is in a fully like black or whatever color of bottle, it 9 out of 10 times actually is a gel product, so you have to cure it for 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, kind of depends on the brand. So if you are doubting whether or not a product is a gel polish or a regular one, just look at the bottle. How is it packed? Actually go out on the internet to find some reviews. Of course, you can always just keep on asking me, I really don't mind, but it's just one little tip that I wanted to share with you. Just look at how it is packaged. So yeah, if you have, by the way, any other questions or anything like that, you can definitely let me know in the comment section down below as well, because I always love to talk to you guys and answer your questions. But yeah, this is already the entire new nail polish of the week video, or well, not really new because I recorded it at the beginning of September. But it is such a gorgeous shade, this one by Catrice Cosmetics, that I definitely didn't want to skip on this one. But this polish is about €2.99 in euros, very affordable, it's vegan, cruelty free and so on. But thank you guys so much for watching, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.